Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer USDT from Bitget to Tonkeeper wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead, first of all open up your Tonkeeper wallet for you to receive your address. So let's cross this out, and now from this official homepage you're gonna go ahead, navigate to the section of receive. Now copy this receiving address. Now go back and open up your particular Bitget app. Let's tap on confirm and let's go back. And from over here, once we have verified ourselves and deposited funds, we're going to go to the section of withdrawal or send. Once we are there, we will be able to find a form where we will have interface. We will have to provide the address of where we would like to send and the amount. So we're going to go ahead, paste the address we just copied from Tonkeeper wallet itself. Once we have pasted the address and added the amount, which is the USDT currency, then we're going to simply review it and tap on the confirm at the bottom. Our transaction will be going through and we are good to go. You can later on check out on Tonkeeper wallet, and that is it. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.